Timeline navigation. Moving forward and backward through a recording, live or finished, has never been easier. Recorders and reviewers alike have access to a series of icons to the far right of the timeline. To move through a record in small steps, large steps, from one event to the next, or even playing a record from start to finish at high speed. That last part is available during review only. During a recording, the icons here in the bottom right are shown. You can use the icon here to go to the previous events on the timeline or the next if you're at a point in the timeline other than the live setting. You can go back in a small step, in a large step, or back to the start of the recording. There's a settings icon here that allows users to adjust what events are displayed on the baseline, what priority events are displayed, the small step size, large step size, and even the mouse wheel step size. Users can click anywhere on the timeline and use their mouse to adjust, or click the icon here, the diamond icon, and drag forward and backward to the desired time. Also in this version, you'll see that the displayed time, elapsed time, and status are clearly indicated at the bottom of the screen.